Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As usually, my name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today I came to you because today I'm super excited actually. Today I came to you because I've got two news to share with you. The first news, I think you can see it, it's in here, but we will come back to it. And the second one is why I'm so happy and super excited about filming today's video, because I've got so many plants that were in my wish list for such a long time, and it's actually a lot of cuttings that I've managed to get. Actually, it's a present for me. My friend knows that I love plants and that I'm a plantaholic, so she decided to make a present for me and to give me so many cuts. And actually today I want to show you this type of plant that I have. Actually, all of these plants were in my wish list to buy, to have, to grow. So yeah, actually I want to share with you my happiness to show you all these plants I have. And also I want to show you how I will be propagating them, how I will be growing them, keep you in touch with them. Yeah, so actually all of these plants are, so to say, easy to propagate actually. But there are some tips and tricks you have to know, you have to follow to make your propagation process like 100% success. So like this. Of course, I will show you all these my box. Also, there are some leaves of plants over there, some cuttings. So many. Actually, these two type of ficus, these were my dream plant ever, because I don't have any ficus in my collection. And yeah, now I'm super lucky about that. And my second news, it's like wow, really, it's wow, because this is Sansevieria black gold, gosh. Actually, this is my wish plant also, and as you can understand, I dreamed for this type of plant for such a long time that I can't even remember the proper name of its plant. Aren't it funny? So this is Sansevieria black gold. And actually I want to tell you a funny story about this Sansevieria plant, because truly to say, I don't like all types of Sansevierias. I just love some of them. For example, I love Golden Flame. I have it in my collection. I hope I showed you or not. Okay, if not, I will show it to you. And so Golden Flame is the first one, and the second one is black gold. And actually when I get to know about the black gold Sansevieria, I also get to know that also there is black gold extreme Sansevieria, and the difference between them is that black gold extreme grows till 1.5 meters till 2 meters, and I wanted a highest growth Sansevieria because I like put my plants on the floor, on the ground, and not on the windowsill, just on the floor in my home, in my apartment. So I dreamed about Sansevieria Black Gold Extreme. But then I read that when they are mature, when they are big enough, when they mature, when they are big enough, they start to fall down. Their leaves becomes so large that they just fall down, and it looks not so beautiful. Actually, it's not looking beautiful, it's not looking nice. And two ways you have to do to cope with this. First of all, you can cut off that, so to say, old leaves, and second of all, you can just tie them, put something around them. So it's also not so nice, not so good to have in your home, like a plant with some troubles, so to say, and you have to cope with it somehow. So no, I don't like that types of problems. So I started to think whether I want Black Gold Extreme. Maybe no, maybe no. And then I decided that I want Black Gold, because it's not so high. Sansevieria, it grows only till 1 meter, maybe 17-18 centimeters high. It will be in the future. So I decided to take Black Gold. Okay, Black Gold, let it be. Then I started to search for it, look for it. And it was a big surprise that I can't find it in my hometown, even in my country. And there were some types of that type of Sansevieria, but they were so extremely expensive for me, and actually the bush was rather small. It have only few leaves, and it wasn't so beautiful, so good, so nice. So wow, no, never. I will never spend so much money for such a small amount of plant and of its leaves. Okay, so I just put that plant in my wish list, that someday, sometime, somehow I will achieve my Sansevieria. Okay, let it be. As the time pass and the days come along, that gloomy, gray, gloomy, rainy days, one day I decided to go to my local shop with flowers, just because I have nothing to do in that day. I entered that shop and I see my Sansevieria and my snake plant, and when I saw it, it was like I just took it and that all. Took it and that all. So I'm super happy that I managed to find my plant from my wish list, and yeah, I'm just super excited about having my dream plant ever in my collection, in my home. And just look at this, just look at that leaves. It's super beautiful, super gorgeous. Actually, the center part of its leaves is almost black. It's a dark green color with that beautiful gold strips around that dark leaf. Actually, this sort of Sansevieria is really very beautiful. Also, as you can see, it's rather dirty, but I've just came from the shop, guys. Let me just share with you my happiness, and of course I will go and wash my plant, wash every leaf of my plant. Also, I've bought a pot for it. Also, it's not so, it was like, it's dirty, so I have to wash the pot for it. I will be transplanting my Sansevieria to this pot. Also, I will be showering my Sansevieria. So yeah, news for today. Okay, and now let me show you closer all that cuttings I've got. So what we have here? Here we have lots of plants. This one, first of all, is ficus with also dark green, almost black leaves. This baby is looking like this. And also when the new leaves growing, they, first of all, they are of a red color, and then this part turns around and it will produce a dark green, almost black leaf. Okay, this is the first one. The second one are 3 small babies of Crassula minor. Actually, I love crassulas, all types of crassulas. And why I love minor? Just because it's looking so nice when you form a bonsai-like tree from your crassula, and the bonsai tree is looking more beautiful when the leaves of your crassula is smaller. The smaller leaves are, the beautiful your tree is. Okay, 3 cuttings of Crassula minor, and the main part of it, Crassula, is when it stands on the direct sun, the leaves becomes darker color, like this, purple, red, purple, something like this. And this happens only when your Crassula tree is standing on a direct sunlight. The second are 2 types of one more ficus, like this and like this. Whoops. These are 2 the same sorts, the same types of ficus, with like green leaves and something purple, something pink around the leaf or inside of a leaf. Also, this type of ficus is very beautiful when mature, when growing bigger. And also that pink part is adorable, actually. It's super beautiful. And I wanted to have that type of ficus in my collection for such a long time, and actually I am super lucky I have it. Okay, let's move on. These are 2 cuttings of peperomia plant. One more. They are also the same. Just look at these leaves. They are gorgeous, actually, and rather thick. Some people think that this plant is not natural. Some people think that this plant is like artificial or plastic just because of the thickness of its leaves. So 2 cuttings of peperomia plant. Check that leaves out. Crassula, ficus. Okay, one more. And here I have this type of plant. It's not Schlumbergera, it's another type of plant. I don't remember the name at this time exactly. I will link, or I will write somewhere here the name of its plant. It's also a succulent type of a plant. And leaves of crassula, another type, not minor. Actually, this crassula may be, as I can see from that leaf, may be variegated. I have two leaves, as you can see on the tip of at least it's a small variegation, so I hope it will be variegated crassula. Also, two leaves of crassula hobbit. Crassula hobbit is actually one of my favorite type of crassulas. And the last one, it's a leaf of mature crassula minor. So you also can check that out, how the mature leaf of a crassula minor looks, and the small cuttings is rather smaller than the mature leaf. And also the crassula minor leaf is rather smaller than the leaf of standard crassula ovata. So as you can see, this leaf is much smaller. So yeah, like this. Like this. I'm super happy about having these cuttings, these cute dreamed plant. Also, my gosh, Sansevieria gold, black gold. Why gold flame? Come on, black gold. Like this. The bush is just amazing. It has 3 plants inside. Oh yeah, and dirty leaves. I will clean them. Don't bother, I will clean them. Yeah, super beautiful leaves. So these were all my happy news for today. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for being with me today. Thanks for watching. So I hope I inspired you to have some plants in your wish list, to never to stop to searching them, to looking for them. And yeah, I wish every of you can find your dreamed plant just going in your local plant store or your local nursery and just have it. So thanks for watching one more time. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you very soon in my next video. Bye!